Now, a note of caution. The best business plan written by the best consulting firm in the world is a bundle of assumption. Because how many science graduates are here? Okay. My first degree is in chemistry as well. So I know that once we're in the lab, it's an experiment. We will try this and try this and try this, and at the end of the day, you write a conclusion and you put, but all your assumptions will be stated. You have, at the beginning, you assume this. Then you're going to try to prove your theory before you get to your conclusion. Your business plan is a bundle of your assumptions. You're going to assume so many things, that this will be there, this will be there, this will happen, this will not. No problem with those assumptions. But you've got to work those assumptions to the best of your ability to check that those assumptions are right to a large extent. And that is why, for you to be a business person, you must have a level of flexibility as a person and in your thinking. Because as you begin to test out your business plan in execution, you will encounter some issues that will require you fine-tuning your assumptions or your original plan and making changes along the way towards your goal. So in order to put a business plan together, you require logical thinking. Now, you must also be able to link your original vision to the acquisition of the materials that you need for it. When you write the business plan, you will have to list all your requirements. And in listing your requirements, you will see if you have underestimated the project or you have overestimated it. Because in underestimating, you can think, oh, I need this, that's all I need. But as you begin to write, you realize, if we need this, then I must have this as well for this to work. I need a generator. Oh, if I need a generator, I need what? A diesel tank. And if I need a diesel tank, this one leads to this. If I'm going to use NEPA at some time, I've got to provide for what? Either UPS or a stabilizer. Just some things you can miss out that can become a problem for you later. And you also determine, as you determine the machinery, you're able to then determine that maybe you thought one plot of land will be enough for what you want to do. Or, oh, my mother's small shop where she used to sell before, I can start there. But then you realize that the smallest machine you need for the business that you want to execute requires 3 times the size of the space of your mother's shop. So that makes that location unviable. And you've now got to think of a solution in terms of space. Now, those are some of the things that you'll have to think about. But beyond that, for entrepreneurial success as an individual, you need to start by thinking about value-adding opportunities. Because what you're going to write the plan about in itself, you must have a sense or an idea of what it is. Now, some of those things you already live in. You live in the midst of your opportunity. You have the opportunities all around you. Some of you are already working it and you don't know. Some of you grew up with it, but you haven't explored it. Because for some of you, your degree has created a wedge between you and the opportunity. You think, oh, I'm a graduate. This one is not for me.
Ignite, from dreams to reality.
What do I like? I like what I do. I like going on holiday with my family. And I like my car. I like gadgets. And I like my bank.
If your bank were us, you would like us too. Since 1894, we have built a strong and stable financial institution based on insightful local know-how, global reach, and a commitment to deliver to you world-class innovative solutions. First Bank, truly the first.
Ignite. From dreams to reality.
Thank you for watching Ignite TV. Next week, we will delve deeper into what starting a business is all about. Until then, ignite and keep your entrepreneurial fire burning.
Send in your comments, questions, and shoutouts to our Facebook page, facebook.com/ignite.tv, Twitter @IgniteTVNG, and check out our website, www.ignite-tv.com. For extras on Ignite, visit our YouTube account on www.youtube.com/IgniteTV Nigeria for lots more about the show and lots of useful information on building your business.